Hello everybody. We are looking at a little bit of a refresher here, and this is going to help us with example number 4, I believe it is, for the next homework set. It says recall why the indefinite integral of f of x dx equals capital F of x plus c, where c is the constant, and so we're taking an indefinite integral, and where f of x is the antiderivative of f here. So if we remember here, let's just say that we know, so we have to, two of these things are true here, so the antiderivative of this is just f of x here. So if we remember, let's pretend that we are taking the definite integral, right, of some function. So let's take a to x of f of t, oops, let's roll up here, of f of t dt here, okay? So, and we remember that f of, let's say f of t is the antiderivative, right? So I'm trying to show you where the c comes in. Like, why is there a c there? We never really talked about that in great detail. It's kind of important for the next thing that we're going to do. So if we use the second fundamental theorem of calculus and the fact that f of t is the antiderivative of this is going to be just capital F of t, and this is going from a to x, right? And if we plug it in here, what we get is this is going to be capital F of x minus capital F of a here, right? Now remember, capital F of a, so this is the antiderivative, and you're going to be subtracting here f of a, and remember this is another constant, right? So it's like a number, right? So you're basically subtracting some number here. We don't know what number it is. It could be a positive number. It could be a negative number. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to worry about the sign, and I'm just going to assume it's just some number, and I'm just going to call this capital F of x, because that doesn't change, because it is the function value, and we're going to be adding some c value to it. And that is why when you take the indefinite integral of some f of x here, dx, you get the original function, you get the antiderivative, not the original, and plus some constant function here. Some constant here. No, what is a constant function? But anyway, this is where the c comes into play, and we're going to use this c value here in doing the next examples.